All right, can everyone see again my screen? Yvonne, don't worry, I'll send you a copy. All right, so this is an example of, let's say it's a big change because it used to be just a letter L building. Now it's bigger than before, so you have to fix this. What else? There's another one. So someone has been deleting buildings covered by trees. So as you can see, the labeler is asking to have it back to original. So when you see revert, that means you have to draw it again. And it's a waste of time if you will do this over and over. So please do not delete buildings covered by trees, clouds, or any other structures. Missed buildings, guys. Okay, so this one can be seen clearly through the trees. I understand it could be a little shady or blurry because of the shadows, but you can easily see a building. Okay, so one way I'll teach you how to check this row of houses, especially if it's a dense area. Yeah, another sample there again. So you can see clearly, and also a road has been captured. So please be careful. I'm not going to give you phone. What else? Yeah, garage, or should I say driveways, has been captured erroneously. Missing buildings, missed buildings again. Here, 3 houses has been missed, and a road. Okay, so that means you have to delete fake buildings and another missed building. So guys, be careful. Okay, so how do I check? Okay, everyone knows the tilde key, right? Does everyone know the tilde key? It's putting out. Okay, good. The tilde key will bring out the mask or the boundary. So if you switch off the mask, it will just leave a color on the buildings. So switch on, it will switch on the mask. Switch off, it will leave the color and the boundaries. So I just use the tilde key to shade the buildings. And if I see the buildings has been captured correctly, you can go ahead and approve. Same here. Okay, next. So as you can see, all buildings have been captured. But if you want to switch on the mask to be sure, this one, I'm not particularly sure if it's a building or not because it could be a trailer or a trailer park. If it's ambiguous, leave it alone. So it's easy to check, easy to fix, right? Use the tilde key, guys. So you can easily distinguish a missed building, especially in a row of houses. Everyone knows what's the tilde key, right? It's the wave button after the escape, or it's in the left side of number 1 on top of tab. Okay, so again, tilde key. This is what I commonly use, and W, hand command. So no missed buildings, all buildings have been captured correctly, so I can approve. All right, so another one. So since this is a row of houses, press the tilde key, check if everything is within the boundary, then switch off the mask, then check those row of houses. If you see something that is missed, like this one, so as you can see here, this is the ground, this is the building, right? So what you can do, you can just click and drag. Capture the right building. Okay, so that's one. There, see, easy to spot a missed building if you have the shades on. There. So press F. unless this is outside of the boundary. Let's see. Yeah, it's within the boundary. No need to capture the walls, okay? Oh, sorry. It's got the mask. It's already captured. But the same, you can see if it's not captured, you can easily spot a missed build. And something which was not drawn correctly. So, but again, it's covered by trees. I'll leave that alone. See, yeah, ambiguous. How about this one? There are some missed buildings, backyards. Again, small buildings, leave them alone. Nothing to worry about. Ground, guys. This is a clear ground, so delete that. So again, not updated. There used to be a building, now it's a parking lot. Delete. Fake. Those are fake buildings. Under construction, I leave that alone. And I think everything looks good. So Alt S and submit the task. Any questions? It's an easy project, right?
Hello.
Yes.
I can't seem to get the shade once I press the tilde key.
Can you share your screen? What happens if you press the tilde key?
Can you see my screen?
No, not yet.
Can you see my screen?
No, we cannot. Now it's loading. Yeah. Can you press the tilde key?
Okay.
All right, that's it. And then uncheck the mask on the left panel. You see there? Uncheck the mask. There.
Okay. Okay. Okay, it's all right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Guys, were you able to follow? How about the others? Just what Peter did. So he pressed the tilde key to show the green mask and then uncheck the mask so that it will leave only the houses or the buildings with the colors. Questions? Concerns? Easy, right? Who among of you here are on the list I posted?
Ako, sir. Siya, sir.
Oh, almost. Okay.
Sir,
Good.
I'm just started the task there for 716, but the task na nakukuha ko, sir, puro maliliit ang beans, ang game.
Okay. How many IDs are you using?
5, sir. Pero tsamba-tsamba lang, sir, na makakuha ko lang. Minsan pinamalaki lang, sir. May 30, ano lang, sir. Maliit. Tapos may mga building na ano lang ako, sir, na preparation lang.
focus, guys, on the things that could help you speed up, because we cannot control what type of task we're going to get, right? Whether it's a full task or a small task.
Okay, sir, kasi yung iba malalaki daw yung nakukuha nila.
I'm sure that there are some who are also getting the same.
Oo,
Like for me.
naghabol nga sir.
Right? So just focus on the things that you need to focus on. If it's just a small task, that means you need to move faster.
Yes, sir.
If you
Kaya nga, sir.
like it.
Kahit 150,
Okay.
kahit 150 na yun ang submission ko, sir, ganun pa rin. Hindi pa nga ng isang oras eh. Pero wala pa akong nakukuha malalaki. Sige lang, sir. I'll try may
Yes.
magpo-follow.
Let's do our best, guys.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So if you just get a small task, don't waste time. That's why I'm teaching you this technique, so that you can easily see if the houses are lined up. You can easily check, right? Then approve if there's no error. And again, our focus should be on big buildings and missed buildings.
Sir, question.
Go.
Sir, yung sa wall kanina, hindi nyo din daw eh. Sabi nyo kahit hindi nalagyan ng wall. Sa residential yun, sir.
Yes.
Pero pag big building, required.
Big buildings, unfortunately, we have to fix them. That's why we only say focused on big buildings.
Copy, sir. Thank you.
So as you can see, I'm not wasting time on residential areas, especially in small tasks like this. That's why I immediately press the tilde key to show the colors. And see here, there's a missed building, right?